Hey there, fellow Vagaro users. Are you ready to boost your business and attract more clients? If so, stay tuned, because I'm about to share some tips on how to run a successful sale on Vagaro. Question: ever wondered how to increase your sales on Vagaro and take your business to the next level? If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to grow your business and attract more clients. One way to do this is to run sales on your Vagaro platform. But how do you do it effectively? Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to run a successful sale on Vagaro. Step 1. Plan your sale. Before you start creating your sale, it's important to plan it out. What type of sale are you running? Will it be a percentage discount, a flat rate discount, or a special offer? Once you know the type of sale you're running, you can start to determine the details, such as the discount amount, the duration of the sale, and the products or services that will be included. Step 2. Create your sale. Once you have a plan in place, it's time to create your sale. To do this, log in to your Vagaro account and go to the Discounts section. Click on the Create Discount button and enter the details of your sale, such as the name, description, discount amount, and start/end date. Step 3. Promote your sale. Now that you've created your sale, it's time to promote it. There are a few ways to do this, such as sending out emails to your clients, posting about your sale on social media, adding a banner to your website, placing flyers in your waiting room. Step 4. Track your results. Once your sale is live, it's important to track your results. This will help you determine how successful your sale was and what you can do to improve it in the future. You can track your results by looking at your sales reports and customer feedback. Here are a few additional tips for running a successful sale on Vagaro. Offer exclusive discounts to your loyal customers. Use eye-catching visuals to promote your sale. Make sure your sale is easy to find and understand. Provide excellent customer service during your sale. Running a sale on Vagaro is a great way to boost your business and attract more clients. By following the tips in this article, you can run a successful sale that will help you achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. P.S. If you have any questions about how to run a sale on Vagaro, please leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help.